So hey Lawn Care Nation, today I'm going to do a little bit of trailer maintenance that I've been putting off for a while, and that is replacing the tires on my trailer. My trailer is now 15 years old in total. I had the trailer redone about 10 years ago, where I had it sandblasted and changed the color and the whole branding and everything of the company, but the tires are still original from when I got the trailer back in 2005. So they're essentially 15 years old now, and they are in desperate need of changing. I had put this off in the fall, thinking, I would just wait till the spring to do that. But now, we're in the middle of this pandemic, so I'm kind of like regretting that I had done that I should have changed them earlier. But needless to say, it's something I've been worrying about as I've been going out and doing my first rounds of 2020, is those tires. I'll show you what the old ones look like. So you can see on one side here, the tread is pretty worn. This side's not actually as bad, although it is needing replacement for sure. But you can see, if you look closely there, all the dry rot starting. So I've obviously been really worried about that. Just a little bit of cracking and stuff you can see as you get closer into the tread there, but not too bad. But the other side is actually the worst side. If we look at this side, you can see that it's almost completely bald around the edges, and you can also see the dry rot in there in what's left of the tread. And then there's of course some chunks and pieces missing, actual parts there from I guess hitting curbs and stuff. You can see the dry rot and cracking there as well. So definitely needed to be replaced. So I found a local store here called Princess Auto here in Canada, and they're kind of like a Tractor Supply that you'd find in the US, and they sell lots of trailer parts and things, as well as a bunch of other products. But they usually carry trailer tires in stock. And the nice thing is that they all come already mounted on rims. So they had the size that I needed for this trailer, which is a 225/75/15 and load range E. To be able to handle the 5,000 or 6,000 pound axle that's on this particular trailer. So went over, and they had a really good price on them. They were actually on sale this week for that size. So I was able to, brave the elements out there in a retail setting, and go out there amongst some of the shoppers that are, going out and, keeping their social distancing happening, and pick up some tires. So I'll show you those tires. So here's the new tires, and you can see obviously way better for tread. And you can see the nice shiny new rims, and they're the same 225/75/15. They're a radial tire, and the brand on these ones is Supercargo. So I'm not sure how well they'll hold up or not, but obviously much better than the tires that are currently on there. And will be a nice upgrade too to have some brand new rims on the trailer as well, because overall the trailer itself is in really good condition, as you can see from when I had it redone, but it's the rims that are showing lots of signs of rust and stuff over the years. The other side especially. You can see this one's really bad, really ugly looking. So let's get at changing them. So I'm going to start by taking off the wheel locks that I've used on there. so you can see better, we put these side by side, just how bad these ones were. You can see all that dry rot and cracking starting, how bald it was on the edge there compared to the new ones. Alright, so you can see that looks way better. Much nicer tire, much nicer rim. Looks good. Gives the trailer a whole new look with fresh looking rims on it. Take the wheel lock off. So on this side, this one wasn't as bad in terms of the tread. Still, of course, not great. You know, getting very close to the wear indicators, if not right on the wear indicators. But again, dry rot that you can see. But you know, to be expected with these tires being 15 years old. But the rim is one of the biggest things here. You can see how bad the paint was there. It's all kind of peeling off. Looks pretty nasty compared to obviously the new one. Will be a nice upgrade to the look, and of course the tire as well. Hand tightening them so they don't get stripped. Okay, so there you go. Driver's side is all done. Much nicer looking, obviously, with the new rim and new tire. Got the wheel locks on. So there you have it. New tires are installed. There's the old one. Oh, the rusty looking rim. 15 years old. And then the new ones, of course, the brand on these is Supercargo. ST 225/75 R15 for trailer use only. These ones have a load range of E, which is awesome. That means they're 10-ply tires, and they have a maximum load of 2,830 or 2,850. I can't see that exactly. Pounds per tire at 80 psi cold. So really heavy duty tire. That's awesome. Perfect for this trailer that only uses 2 tires. So there you have it, guys. Pretty simple maintenance project for me to do on my own, especially with availability of trailer tires already mounted on rims. So it makes it very, very easy. Obviously, don't need to go to a tire shop. Can minimize, obviously, human contact at the moment during this COVID-19 outbreak pandemic. Was able to just quickly pop into the store, have them already set aside for me, so I didn't have to go into the store looking for them, and just go to the cashier and purchase them, and away I go. So very, very simple upgrade. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys are taking on any sort of maintenance projects for your trailers during this sort of self-isolation time, to keep yourself busy, keep your mind active, and away from watching all of the depressing stories coming out of newscasts and stuff like that. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.